Hey guys, so for today's lesson we're going to be doing Unit 8, Lesson 4. We're going to talk about comparing integers and how we compare and order integers. We have an important property for integers that we show on the number line. There is a line of symmetry at 0 on the number line, and each number has an opposite on the other side of that line. For example, 4 and -4 are opposites because their distances from 0 are the same. On any number line, any number on the left is smaller than a number to its right. -9 is to the left of 5, which means -9 is the lesser number. We use the symbol for less than to show the relationship between -9 and 5. -9 is less than 5. Let's use the number line to compare -3 and 0. Here is 0, and here is -3. Since the -3 is to the left of the 0, the 3 is less than the 0. Another way to write this is -3 is less than 0. Now let's compare -5 and -7. Here is -5, and here is -7. When we compare -5 and -7, we again look at the number on the left and know that that is the lesser number. We see that this -7 is less than the -5. It is important to remember that when we are comparing two numbers on the number line, the number on the left is always less than the number on the right. Thanks, guys. Look for the next lesson.